455 departs, but it's journey to London Waterloo on the stop. So this is the 15:03. So it's 33 and 03 minutes past the alley today. And this should be departing any minute. And there it goes. 8-car departs, but it's journey to Waterloo. So this is Clapham 3, when they created. Oh, okay, that's good then. Yeah. It's taking it up slow.
Customer announcement. Planning engineering works will be taking place.
Yeah, 15-3 goes away.
Network this weekend, Saturday the 10th and Sunday the 11th of February. The Woking and Wokingham areas will be affected. For more information, please visit southwesternrailway.com/engineering. Thank you.
Yeah, I messaged Jimmy just to double check before I go. There you go, it takes the branch line, takes the snow line off to leaving the station. The line speed is only 75 miles an hour, so it's not that easy for a train like that one today, you know. I can't believe some of these trains only shoot to 75 miles an hour, they're only usually 100 miles an hour. Well, at least I went on the 455s on my journeys, but sometimes I feel a bit nervous, especially when that incident, what happened in 2019. I just can't shake off the fears of that incident, you know. So that's the A3 from it's going away. So I just hold on a second, just give me a minute.